So it's pitch black out here if anybody thinks it doesn't work. And then this is what it looks like. So this is side by side. The other day there was some sort of animal up here in the tree line. We couldn't figure out what it was. It's definitely a predator because of the shape of the eyes. You know, predators have forward-facing eyes. Prey has eyes on the side of their head. It was definitely some sort of predator, but we couldn't figure out what exactly it was. I need some sort of mounting unit for this because holding it up like this with my shoulders is pretty intense.